Skull Steve.
Welcome to the Skull Steve channel. I'm your host, Skull Steve. Hey, what's up, everybody? So, some of you guys that follow me realizing that I'm not on my Roadstar there. That is not a black bike with mini apes. That right there is my Yamaha V-Star. That is V-Star 650. That was my first bike ever. Yes, I found some old footage of me on my V-Star. This is probably the first video I've ever recorded on my bike. Now, this dates back, I believe, to 2015, like probably the beginning of my second riding season. So yeah, I bought this GoPro. Now, behind the story why I've had this GoPro for 5 years before I started recording for YouTube, here's the background to that. So I bought this GoPro. I kind of always wanted to do motovlogging, but I didn't know the right equipment for it, and I lost interest in it for a while up until the pandemic. So when I did this, I was sitting here talking the whole time thinking that the camera was picking up on the audio. Sounds silly, doesn't it? Well, I felt like a fool after when I got home checking the footage after I got back to, after this day ride, because I took several videos and I mashed them all together for this, this video that I'm bringing on YouTube. So I would say it's about over 40 minutes long of complete footage. But yeah, when I got back and checked and I saw, I'm like, oh my god, there's no you can't hear me, the wind's picking up, and I felt like a dodo. But I'm kind of happy because I'm not the only one that had this problem. I found out, I believe it was in the live stream, Big Smitty Riding, he thought the same thing too. And I'm like, when I saw that, I'm like, oh my god, I'm not the only asshole that thought you can talk and the microphone will pick up from it. I wonder if there's a lot of other people out there that did the same thing too. So, but anyways, yeah, so talk about this ride. This ride was with me and my buddy Carl, and we rode to Belle Isle Park in Detroit. Right now we're somewhere around the Grosse Pointe area. I believe that's Lake St. Clair right there, or it might be actually Detroit River, but we're in the richier side of it's not Detroit, it's Grosse Pointe. There's like a million Grosse Pointe cities, Grosse Pointe Farms, Grosse Pointe, I can't remember the rest of them, but there's like a million different Grosse Pointe, but they're all on the richier side. There's big $1 million old mansions over here, and it's right on the water side, right before you get into Detroit, just a little bit north of Detroit. So yeah, we took this way. I believe this is Jefferson Road. So Jefferson Road will take you straight into Detroit, and it takes you to Belle Isle. So it had to been, I think this had to been like April or May. So my buddy, goes, hey, want to go for a ride? I'm like, yeah, we'll go to, where we're going. He's like, oh, we'll go to Belle Isle. I like to ride to Belle Isle. And I've been to Belle Isle before, but man, that'd be really cool to go on a motorcycle. Plus you see the water and these nice homes, this nice area. But yeah, I was quite thrilled to take this ride, and I was quite thrilled to go for a ride with my friend and record the first video, even though it's not as good as I thought it was gonna be. And I sat there and I said some funny things. I'm like, this is gonna be a great thing. Can't wait to get my YouTube channel up and all this, and then all of a sudden, nope, that was not the case. Oh boy. But yeah, he's pointing at the water, I believe, or to a car. I don't know what the hell he's doing. But yeah, it was good times, and it's actually cool to see my old V-Star 650. Yeah, that bike was my first. It was a nice bike. I liked it. I outgrew it pretty fast, and you'll see in the next video, and I'll show you, because we get on the freeway in the next video that I found, and it's not talking about the video I released next week. I had a hard time. You get this thing on the freeway, it sucks. Getting to 80 sucks, and then trying to get from 80 to 90 blows. But anyways, which you really can't. But anyways, yeah. So we just entered the park, so I skipped videos because I started cutting into the video because some parts take too long, and I said I don't want to make this video too long, okay? But yeah, we just got into Belle Isle Park. So I will play some music and I'll come back and then we'll talk a little bit more. Oh yeah. Oh look who's back. Yeah, we're leaving right now. We're just passing Detroit Yacht Club. You know, I figured that Detroit Yacht Club would have a lot nicer cars in front of it, but probably they're closed. Maybe that's. And I'm pretty sure all the people from Grosse Pointe go to Detroit Yacht Club. I'm not 100% sure, but let's see. They're probably closed. That's why there's no nice cars out in front. Anyways, yeah, we just left. Like I said, it was a fun day. I like Belle Isle. I haven't rode down there in a long time. You know, it's always a nice ride to go through there. Or even driving a car. It's cool. I don't know if you guys saw the barricade parts down there. Like there was like like those cement wall block offs. I believe that's what they do the Formula One race. Whenever the Formula One race comes to Detroit, that's where they host it in Belle Isle. I've never been to that. I've always wanted to go. The one thing though I wanted to go to, they had an event down there, and I'm so mad I missed it. Was 10 years ago. That's when Metallica was doing the Orion Festival, and when they came to Detroit, it was at Belle Isle. I wanted to go so bad because you had Metallica, Red Hot Chili Peppers, which I'm not a big fan of Red Hot Chili Peppers, but still would have been cool to see them. Rise Against, Deftones, Dropkick Murphys, Silver Sun Pickups. That would have been a great show to go to, but at the time I didn't have the moolah to go, so yeah, still kick myself about that. Yeah, we're about to switch over to the next part. We're in a nice area right now, then we're about to go to a not so nice area because that's Detroit. You're in a nice area for 2 seconds and you're in a crappy area for a longer period of time. But I want to show you guys this as we switch over right now. We're about to pass the Vigilante Motorcycle Clubhouse right here. And right here, I bottom out my bike. I'm going to stop talking for a second. I want you guys to hear this. Yeah, that sucked. I might have been a little bit over dramatic, but not really, because I really felt like my balls went from my sack down to my I should say up to my tonsils that day. That really hurt. Now it's no like truck and biker finding the crack and almost dying. That was pretty bad when he was talking about his video. That was really horrible. But that right there. And I should have avoided that because I was looking dead at it and I just hit that hole, whatever the hell that was. And I swear to man, my butthole puckered. Like I said, my balls went up to my tonsils. Like that shit sucked. And I said it might have been over a little bit dramatic. And not really. Yeah, so anyways, guys, this is where I'm going to cut it off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you guys like this video, comment, share it, and subscribe. And after you subscribe, don't forget to ring the Guardian bell. Anyways, guys. Oh, and one more thing too. Next video I'm gonna release, I'll be on my V-Star. It was me and my buddy Carl again, and his dad and his dad's friends. We go to the Blessing of the Bikes in Mount Clemens at the old Gibraltar Trade Center. So that will be next week's video. All right, guys. Like I said, make sure you do all those things I mentioned before. It was fun as always. Skella Steve out.